Today, we are going to talk about a fast-growing health and wellness company that is slowly attracting the attention of Wall Street investors and growth-focused traders. The company is called Laird Superfood, a small-cap wellness brand that is trying to build a powerful position in the rapidly expanding global superfood and functional nutrition industry. Over the last few years, consumer behavior has changed dramatically. People are becoming more health conscious than ever before. Demand for clean label foods, organic ingredients, plant-based nutrition, functional beverages, and immunity-boosting products continues to rise globally. And this is exactly where Laird Superfood is positioning itself. The company was inspired by legendary big wave surfer Laird Hamilton, whose personal lifestyle philosophy focused on performance nutrition, energy, endurance, and wellness. Instead of competing directly with traditional packaged food companies, Laird Superfood focuses on premium functional nutrition products designed for health-conscious consumers. Its product portfolio includes plant-based coffee creamers, mushroom blends, hydration supplements, superfood powders, daily greens, coconut water products, snack bars, and performance-focused wellness beverages. These products are marketed not only for taste but also for energy support, immunity, hydration, gut health, and overall wellness performance. One of the biggest strengths of the company is its brand positioning. Consumers today are increasingly willing to pay premium prices for healthier products with clean ingredients and no artificial additives. Laird Superfood has successfully created a premium wellness image, especially among fitness-focused and lifestyle-oriented customers. Now let's talk about growth. The company has recently shown strong revenue momentum. Fiscal year 2025 net sales reached nearly $50 million compared to roughly $43 million in the previous year. That represents annual growth of around 15%, which is impressive for a company operating in a competitive food and beverage market. Even more importantly, wholesale revenue surged by more than 40% year over year. This means the company is rapidly expanding its retail presence through grocery stores, health chains, club retailers, and large distribution channels across the United States. And this expansion matters because a consumer wellness brand becomes truly powerful only when its products are widely available. Laird Superfood is now building an omni-channel business model through direct-to-consumer sales, e-commerce, Amazon distribution, and physical retail partnerships. But perhaps the biggest strategic move came through acquisitions. The company acquired Terrasol Superfoods and expanded its access to global ingredient sourcing, organic superfood categories, packaging operations, and additional retail relationships. This acquisition could dramatically increase the scale of the overall business over the coming years. Terrasol itself generated more than $65 million in annual sales, making this acquisition potentially transformational for the future of Laird Superfood. Now let's discuss the shareholding pattern, because ownership structure often reveals how much confidence large investors have in a company's future. Currently, Nexus Capital Management is the dominant shareholder in the company. After recent financing and preferred equity transactions, Nexus Capital is expected to control approximately 71.7% of fully diluted shares. Institutional ownership remains relatively limited compared to larger consumer brands, which means the company is still under the radar for many major Wall Street funds. Insider ownership has also remained significant, showing that management and early stakeholders still have strong exposure to the company's future performance. Now the big question: can the stock reach $12 over the next 12 months? At current price levels near the $3 range, a $12 target would represent massive upside potential. For this to happen, several things must go right. First, the company must continue delivering double-digit sales growth. Second, wholesale expansion must continue successfully across national retail chains. Third, management needs to improve profitability and recover margins affected by commodity inflation and supply chain costs. And finally, investors must begin valuing the company not as a small beverage brand, but as a scalable wellness ecosystem with multiple high-growth product categories. If management executes successfully, the valuation could expand significantly. However, investors should also understand the risks. Laird Superfood is still a small-cap growth company. The business remains unprofitable, competition in the wellness industry is intense, and integration risks from acquisitions remain important factors to monitor. This means the stock could remain highly volatile in the short term. But for aggressive growth investors who believe in the long-term expansion of the health and wellness market, Laird Superfood represents an interesting speculative opportunity. The company is building a brand around some of the strongest consumer trends in the world today: plant-based nutrition, clean label products, functional beverages, and performance wellness. And if the company successfully converts rapid revenue growth into sustainable profitability, today's valuation may eventually look extremely cheap in hindsight. In conclusion, Laird Superfood is not just selling coffee creamers or superfood powders. It is attempting to build a scalable wellness platform in one of the fastest growing segments of the global consumer market. Strong sales growth, expanding distribution, strategic acquisitions, and premium brand positioning make this company one of the more interesting speculative wellness stocks to watch over the next few years. And if execution remains strong, the $12 target over the next 12 months could become a realistic long-term growth scenario for high-risk, high-reward investors. If you enjoyed this analysis, then like the video, subscribe to the channel, and press the bell icon for more detailed stock market and business analysis videos.